Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got an unboxing for you. So this is from Rowe Diamonds, who are a UK company who produce in-house their own canvases. So let's have a look. This is what I thought it would be. So this is another little tiny snack painting. I wanted to have a look at their mystery paintings because I have been working on a mystery painting which is from Cat Eared, and I wanted to try out another company, and I am always a fan of UK companies and supporting local whenever I can. So this tiny little 20 by 20 mystery just spoke to me, especially as it is entirely special drill. I won't show you the actual picture of the canvas, obviously, because it's a mystery. This is what it's going to look like. It is double-sided and it is round. I will now just give you a little look at the drills that we're going to be placing. They come all pre-baggied. It's just and let's have a look. So we've got a mixture of ABs, twinklers and crystals. So we've got, bring you down a little bit because it's a tiny little thing, so we can go there. So we've got 820 in a crystal, $209 in a crystal, that's a pinky colour. We've got just trying to find all the ones that are just crystals. Right, 3755. That's a sort of blue-grey almost. Uh, 3852. Another pinky purple one. This is 210. Oh, not showing you that at all. There we go, 210. Got 605. Oh, apologies for knocking you. That is the palest of pinks. Real sort of peachy, reminds me of, it's almost a champagne kind of colour one. We've got, what's this one, 3790. $37.99, which is, I don't know if it's nearly black, not quite black, I would say. And these are all bagged up. As you can see, they've got the symbol, they've got the amount, I think that's the amount, and with the type of drill that they are and their code. Yeah, I believe that's what we're looking at, the number. Possibly. I'll check that. Yeah, it's the quantity. Yeah, that is the quantity there. So this one, 153. We need 95 of them. Okay, so we've got a couple of ABs. We've got 3608, which is a kind of bubblegum pink with the Aurora Borealis coating, which goes through the sort of colours of silver and pink and peach and gold. We've also got 550 as an AB, which is so beautiful. I love all things purple, and this is just beautiful. Only improved by an AB coating, really. The camera is not really doing it justice, but it's so beautiful. Let's see if I can get you up a bit close. There we go. You could also see there the quality of the drills. So just, yeah, they're all lovely and round. No little bits and pieces. Lovely, really nice. We've then got, this is a 310 crystal. So this is a black crystal. This is as black as black. And we've then got two that are labelled as twinklers. This one is gold, and rather than being glassy, it's more metallic. Let's see if I can get that in the background, please. There we go. Can we see that there? So they're sort of coppery. I mean, they're described as gold, but I would say they were on the, to me, they look like they're on the coppery side of gold. In the camera lens, they look more bronzy brass colour, but they are beautiful nonetheless, and they reflect the light wonderfully. And then we have 166 as a twinkler. Oh, mermaids, really, wow, these are gorgeous. So these are going through blue, purple, green. You've got some yellow in there. But the twinklers are a slightly different shape to your regular drills. They've got this flat top and they reflect the light in quite a different manner. So they are glassy, and they've got kind of this sort of AB effect, and they've got the sort of metallic back that helps to reflect as well. And then finally we've got these ones, which are just called Midnight. So they seem to be all the colours of the rainbow. Let's have a look there. We can see. See, and again, in the camera, they are yellow, blue, purple, but in reality, I'm getting a lot more gold, amber, bronze off of them. So I really think that these are they're going to look stunning, but depending upon the light conditions, depending upon, you know, maybe even the individual, they're going to look slightly different, but beautiful nonetheless. So let's have a look at the canvas. We will have a look at the symbols and see how it all looks. We've got, as it's so tiny, we've just got the one legend, which you can see you've got 1, 3, 2, 0, 7, 8, 9, equals 6. We've got a 2 half circles, smiley face, number 5, a triangle pointing up, sort of an 8 ball, and number 4. So nice and simple. Let's have a look and see what the canvas has in store for us. Obviously it is double-sided, so I don't want to mess with it too much. But equally, I've no idea what the picture is, so it'll be nice to have a little look. I'm not expecting anything with a great deal of detail because it's only 20 by 20. What I will do is measure it because it would be good to see. I'm just gonna grab a cover minder, stop that from rolling back on itself, and I will grab my tape measure. Okay, so advertised as 20 by 20, and we are getting, ooh, let's have a look, 20 exactly there, and yeah, 20 exactly here. So you are getting your full drill area is 20 by 20, not as you may have seen from other places where the canvas is advertised as one thing and then when you get it, the picture itself is a little smaller. So, yeah, who knows? At this point, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it could be. I am excited. It's not going to take me very long, so I may whiz through this one and get you an update pretty quickly. I'm certainly very excited to work on something that is so sparkly and yeah, so mysterious. It'll be extra magical. Just to go over prices for you, this is their mini mystery diamond painting in 20 by 20, and I chose it in full round special drills, character style 1. Their mysteries are available in different character styles, so that if you've ordered character style 1 before and you want to do another mystery, you can order a different character style and you know that you won't be getting the same one twice. So this kit with the basic green boat, nice quality heart-shaped red wax, pink pen, all of the ABs, twinklers, crystals, and UK made canvas was £11.95. I think that is really reasonable for what you're getting in terms of the quality of the drills and just the uniqueness of it. So I would recommend that you go and check out Rowe Diamonds. They have Facebook, they have Instagram at Rowe Diamonds, and you can go onto their website, which is www.rowediamonds.co.uk. rowediamonds.co.uk. So do check out everything they've got to offer. They have a wonderful selection. They are particularly well known for their custom photos. So do check them out. Let me know what you think, and I will update you on this as soon as I've got started. And please do consider subscribing. Hit the button, click the bell, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.